They did it again. The Feds raised interest rate basis points by 75% for the fourth time this year. That's kind of good and bad news. The bad news is that every 1% in rate hikes, home values are dropping by as much as 10%. So if you own a $700,000 home, now it's worth about $630,000. But why? Here's the best way I can explain it. 1 year ago today, when interest rates were at 3.5%, you could buy $1 million house with 20% down and good credit and have a $5,000 month mortgage payment. That same $5,000 mortgage payment in today's market at 7.5% with 20% down is around $700,000. That's a $300,000 price swing. So buyers cannot qualify for the same amount of home, and therefore it's causing a lot of downward pressure now being extended onto sellers and their prices. In fact, week over week, we're seeing about 40% of all homes in Portland are having a price reduction week over week. So almost half of homes are now seeing price reductions every single week. So it kind of leads us to say, where are the values for our houses now? The good news is inventory is still fairly low. We did not see a massive amount of inventory plunge into the marketplace, although the inventory that is hitting the marketplace is sitting on the market for a lot longer and therefore having downward pressure on prices as the longer they sit. But there's also a delayed reaction with interest rates. So as we adjust to the new interest rates every month, we're seeing prices evolve. In fact, economists are saying that it takes around 90 days for the market to respond to the rate changes, which, if this is true, could see values respond yet again in the coming weeks and months as the Feds are telling us they're going to increase rates month over month until inflation numbers come back better. So if you're planning on not living in your house for 4 to 6 years, consider selling sooner than later and capitalize on the values that we have seen over the last couple years. If you're at all curious about what your home value is worth and what strategy it might take to get your home sold moving forward, especially in the coming year, we're already talking to our 2023 clients who want to sell and engaging with them a little sooner about making that happen because we want to make sure we're trying to get you the most amount possible. So if you have any questions about this, hit us up, DM us, let us know. We're here to help.